That's a milk mukbang.
They can't afford to clean that down.
It's funny, amazing that she's actually picking it up.
Wow.
Things better off with the snow straight out rather than the sun.
You know what she's doing when I took her outside?
What?
She's licking the snow and she's doing this.
You chewing it?
Yeah. Oh wow, you did not see it, Mom. It's done. See?
I was having a tough time getting it done. Yeah, it's done.
Done.
See?
Hey, was that good? Cook? Was that
Wow, good girl,
good? That was
Cookie.
good,
You
yeah.
say thank you to Grandma. Say thank you to Grandma.